Today's word is chirp. It means a short, high-pitched sound, typically made by a small bird or an insect. To make such a sound, here are two examples using this word. We woke up to the cheerful chirp of sparrows outside our window. The crickets began to chirp as the sun went down. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are cheep, tweet, peep. Antonyms are roar, boom, growl. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.